Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Adobe Acrobat. This industry-standard software helps you view, create, edit, and manage your portable document format files efficiently. You can easily convert various file types into PDFs, ensuring consistent formatting across many different devices. This tool is essential for anyone needing to handle digital documents professionally, offering a comprehensive suite of features for all your PDF needs. Creating a PDF is simple. You can convert almost any file, such as a Microsoft Word document or an image, into a high-quality PDF. Once created, Acrobat allows you to edit text, replace images, and even reorder pages with ease. You can also add sticky notes, highlight important sections, and draw shapes to provide clear feedback. This makes document revision and collaboration incredibly straightforward. Acrobat makes organizing your documents effortless. You can combine several PDFs into one comprehensive file, which is perfect for reports or presentations. Need to reorder pages? Simply drag and drop them into your desired sequence. You can also extract specific pages to create new documents or delete unnecessary ones. This flexibility helps you manage even very large documents with hundreds of pages efficiently. Sharing your PDF securely is crucial, and Acrobat provides several options. You can easily send documents for review or signature, tracking their progress in real time. For sensitive information, apply password protection and encryption to restrict access. Furthermore, you can add legally binding digital signatures, ensuring document authenticity and integrity. These features give you complete control over who sees and interacts with your important files.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.